Someone asked me a question. He was like, how can you change the privacy settings on your normal WhatsApp, like to hide your last scene and your profile picture? So what you do is very simple. Go to your normal WhatsApp settings here. After tapping on them, just go direct to privacy. So when you tap on privacy, here you can see even privacy checkup, control your here. These are some of the things. So here you can go ahead like to hide last seen, for example, if you don't want to see anyone, or to show that you're online, you can either choose some of your contacts or no one, or you can select some like that. Then who can see when I'm online? So here you can still choose depending on who you want to see. Very simple like that. So another thing also applies on the profile photo. Still, the profile photo, you can do the same. If you don't want anyone to see your profile pic, you can choose, or you can select a few. Or if you don't want anyone to see it, still you can do the same. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching.